Hey guys, and welcome to another SmartLearner video. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to do the Reverse Bay Park, specifically the 3-line method. Obviously, as you can see in the background right now, we're just showing a demonstration on how it's done, but we will be breaking this down into a couple of steps for you guys to follow. So step 1 is to choose your bay. If there are cars around, you may want to indicate, however in this case there was no cars. We then want to count 3 lines starting from the first line of the bay, and then when we come to the third line we want to stop with our shoulder in line with it. However, obviously depending on your height this reference point may change, so you'll have to find out what works for you specifically, but usually it'll be just in front or behind your shoulder. We want to do all-round observations while slowly reversing and forelocking the wheel to the relevant side, and obviously continue to do these observations. This should bring us into the bay, but just before we get into the bay you may want to stop and straighten up the wheels, or else you're just going to carry on a little bit too far. You can obviously check your in-bay by using your reference point that you would use at a give way sign, but obviously in this case you can see that we're quite easily in bay. You can go forward and correct this if you're not in bay, however it will be a minor fault. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, we hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more driving related content.